Hello and welcome to the final exam practice explanation. This will be a very short video and I just want to describe to you what is on the final exam. Again, there's two choices. You don't have to take the final exam if you don't want to. There is an alternative final exam in which you create a movie and put it on YouTube. So that option is there. But if you do take the final exam, the written final exam, this is what you can expect. The first part of the final exam starts with syllables. So I will say 10 words 3 times each, and you have to write the number of syllables next to the word. Then I will say 10 more words, and you have to underline the word stress syllable, and you have to rewrite the schwa if it's there. Then you'll have to go through a conversation and you have to find where the focus pitch is likely to occur. Then there will be one more conversation and you have to find the defocus. But the focus pitch syllables will be marked for you. So if there's a focus pitch, you should know by now that there's no defocus on that syllable. The next portion of the final exam is conversation construction. You have to write, you have to create, you have to construct a conversation between two people. You can write whatever you want. Any kind of meaningful conversation is okay, but you have to match your conversation to the discourse markers. In fact, you have to prove to me that you understand what the discourse markers do. So here there's a so, which means a topic has to begin here. There's an oh no here, which means the previous utterance has to be bad news of some sort. Then there's an okay so, which means there has to be a topic transition here. So whatever topic they were talking about here, they have to talk about something new here. There's a well here, which means unexpected news has to come here. Not good, not bad, but unexpected. Here there's another okay so, which means there's another topic transition at this point. Write whatever you want, but make sure your conversation matches the discourse markers at the beginning of the sentence. Also, you have to draw a focus pitch line above your sentences. You have to show me that you understand where focus pitch lands. And last, you have to give me the defocus in your conversation as well. If you do all of these things perfectly, you'll get 20 points for this. The last part of your final exam is a group speaking test. You and one more person will speak for 2 minutes. And in 2 minutes, you have to do 4 things. First, you have to use discourse markers 10 times. This does not mean you have to use discourse markers 10 times. You and your partner have to use discourse markers 10 times. So if you use discourse markers 4 times and your partner uses discourse markers 6 times, you get 10 points. This is a group score. Both of you get the same score. And this applies to focus pitch. There has to be 10 focus pitches in your conversation. There have to be 10 defocuses in your conversation. And there have to be 10 schwas in your pronunciation. But again, it's not your pronunciation, it's the group's pronunciation. You both get the same score. And in 2 minutes, if you can do all of this, you'll get 40 points. In total, the final exam is 40 points. But again, if you want to, there is the option of doing an alternate final exam. You have to create an English movie that is at least 4 minutes long and in English. You also have to give it to me the day before the final exam. And I will put these on YouTube so that everyone on the entire planet can see your work. You don't have to do this, but you have to choose one of these final exams, the written final exam or the YouTube video. Your choice. Good luck. Bye-bye.